In the last video, we learned about expectation. This is the number that encapsulates a weighted average or an expected value for a random variable to take. In this video, we'll look at an example where we do some calculations using properties of expectation. So here's the example. Suppose that you're selling two products, product X and product Y, and the product X has expected sales 210 and Y 130. And the price for each of these products is $2 and $1.15. So you can think about X as being bagels maybe and Y as donuts. And we'd like to calculate your total expected daily revenue for selling both products together. And we'll use these two formulas. The expectation of A times X is equal to A times the expectation of X, where A is some constant. And in our application, it's going to be price. And then the expectation of X plus Y is equal to expectation of X plus the expectation of Y. Now, these may seem straightforward, and they are, but they're also important to get right. For example, the expectation of X times Y is not in general equal to the expectation of X times the expectation of Y. So these are powerful identities that we'll use. So to get started, let's begin by calculating the expected revenue for product X. And we'll use the first formula in yellow here. So define the random variable R sub X to be the revenue for product X on a given day. This is equal to $2 times the quantity of sales for X. And the expectation of R sub X is $2 times the expectation of X, which is equal to 420. This is $2 times 210, which is expected sales. We can do a similar thing for product Y, this time using $1.15 as the price rather than $2, to get a total of $149.50. This again is 130 times $1.15. So now we're in a position to calculate the expected revenue of X plus the expected revenue of Y, or rather the expected revenue of X plus the revenue of Y. This is equal to, using the second formula, the respective expected revenues summed together, which in this case is equal to $420 plus $149.5, or $569.5, $569.50. So in general, these properties of expectation will help you to combine different random quantities and do some calculations in that way.